Logan's first time at the beach, and we are at the boardwalk on Okaloosa Island, and it's a nice day. It's kind of chilly though. I bet the water's cold. There's quite a few people because it's spring break. Let's see. It's spring break, so there's tons of people. People always come to our beaches here and Panama City. So yeah, Logan won't be going in the water, but maybe we'll put her toes in the sand or something. It's not chilly, it's really like 75 degrees, but there's a cool breeze, so we'll see. But in the sun it's nice. It's really nice in the sun. Gosh, it's bright.
It's a nice little drink.
Logan, oh, it's so bright. It's so bright. My little light-skinned booger. Logan, are you okay, baby?
Yeah, about high school.
Yeah,
So yeah, it's spring break. Spring break 2K15. I wish I could partake in the spring break activities. I'm not as young as I used to be, but this guy can. Say what's up. So yeah, guys, this is where I grew up. I grew up in the 850, Fort Walton Beach, Destin. I went to Niceville High School. My dad's in the military. Well, both my dad and my stepdad's in the military. So yeah, this is home for me. I'm used to going to the beach. I'm used to living on the beach. So living in Atlanta is tough because, you know, this is what I'm used to. I remember my senior skip day, my hair. I remember my senior skip day. This is where we came for senior skip day. We came to the beach in Destin. So we don't want to make it worse. So it's a red flag today. Apparently the tide is super high. And usually they don't have lifeguards out, but I guess they got a few guys out there. There's the red flag. But people are going to go in the water regardless. You got people who are out there. Let's see if I can zoom in. They're not evil, but they're mean. They will poop on you, they'll peck at you. Ever since I saw the movie Birds, or Crows. Hey Dad, what was that movie with the birds attacking people? Birds or crows? Birds. Ever since I saw that movie Birds, I've always been scared of birds. And to make it worse, you feed them, they're gonna keep coming back, and then they're gonna poop on you. Did it take it? Oh. They're probably just as much as scared of him. Oh, so that one wants it. Oh, hey. Hey, my little cow. We got margaritas, oysters. Mark doesn't like oysters. How to eat an oyster. Take your oyster and you put your toppings on it. Cocktail sauce. There we go. We'll take it. You're gonna take it this way. Cocktail sauce. A little bit of horseradish. If you don't like spicy food, don't put the horseradish. And what else are we missing? A squeeze of lemon. A squeeze of lemon.
This hot sauce.
You know, they don't have Tabasco. I love Tabasco. And you can either put it on a cracker, or you can just... That's how you eat an oyster. And you follow it up with a margarita or a shot. Whatever you prefer. So we are gonna do an impromptu horseradish challenge. We're gonna see if Mark can just eat straight horseradish. And we'll see his face afterwards. Don't eat all of it. Don't eat all. I want to put on my... He was about to go to town. Horseradish.
He's probably out there with his start back.
Swallow it. You didn't even break a sweat. It wasn't spicy? Really? Logan, Logan, where is Logan?
What do you say?
Logan, Logan, where is Logan? Hi, baby. She's in her little outfit that her grandma got her. Oh, yeah? Say, I miss you, Daddy. I miss you, Daddy. So we just had some oysters and some margaritas. And we are going to go home now and have another drink. Bye. We'll see you later.